What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in once again. You guys, I got two sneakers in front of me. Nothing crazy, but one's a restock and one's a hype pair that I don't even like. So it's gonna be for sale like as soon as I'm done recording this, but I'm gonna get right into it. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So this first pair, you guys, is actually, it's just a 350 box right here. You guys probably know what it is. It just restocked like for like the 100th time, and it's a pair that I already have, but it's the 350 Zebra. Nothing crazy here, but yeah, it's restocked so many times, and I was able to hit on confirmed. The first pair I got was from confirmed as well. Actually, it was Adidas. I hit an Adidas draw, and then I got these from confirmed just this last time, but it's a size 9.5. I'm thinking about holding on to it just because my pair is pretty dirty. And actually, I'll show you real quick. I'm going to jump off camera real quick and check them out, you guys. They're pretty beat. Like it's one of the pairs that I've actually wore quite a bit. And it's just comfortable because, you know, I work delivery and I work a couple other jobs that I'm on my feet a lot. So I want something comfortable. Jordan 1s, which I like, but they're just not a comfortable shoe to wear all the time. So yeah, that's that first pair, and I'm gonna do like a little thumbnail action right here, like, oh no way, like I don't like these right here. I don't. It's an Air Force One box, obviously, size 8.5, Air Force One, and it is the yellow off-white Air Force Ones, you guys. Check it out right here. I was able to get these on Soul Steals for under market value. There's your extra laces right there. And just, I don't like them. I've never been an Air Force One guy. I don't hate Air Force Ones, but I just don't, it's not my favorite shoe. And, you know, a lot of OG sneakerheads love these. Like, not these in particular, but they love Air Force Ones. And so I'm just not a huge fan of Air Force Ones, and I'm not a huge fan of the yellow on these as well. I heard there's like a green pair coming out. The blue ones are my favorite. Those are cool. But like I said, I'm not a crazy Air Force One guy. I don't even have any Air Force Ones in the collection. And anytime I've gotten them, I've gotten rid of them because I just don't wear them. I don't even have a white pair, like a crispy white pair, that's going for like 90 bucks. But yeah, I mean, this is an 8.5 dead stock, you guys. If anybody's interested, these are going to be posted probably on my GOAT app, or I'll put them on my Tradeblock for you guys to trade with if you want. But that's it for the video, guys. Just a restock on the Yeezys and these, I think, overly priced yellow off-white Air Force Ones. And like, with all due respect to Virgil, you know, I love the branding on the side and the silver swoosh. Actually, I really like that. But I'm just, like I said, not a Air Force One guy. So like, there's a little X on the inside for off-white right there. Still got the size tag. But yeah, guys, just a short video to unbox these off-whites right here. And I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, if you haven't noticed. I finally sold my Dior's after having them for like 2 years. And I sold a bunch of other stuff, but still got a nice sneaker wall right here, you guys. You know, buying, selling, I got to keep things rotating so I can, you know, make, you know, I don't want to sit on everything. And I got to treat, you know, YouTube as a business a little more, because sometimes I kind of get into the collecting mode, and then I'm like, all right, I got too much. And so like, I got some of my, you know, like the mags and the off-white Chicagos. I'm going to try and keep a couple of my heavy hitters, but some of this GR stuff and some of my off-whites and, you know, just some of the other stuff, I just need to keep flipping. And, you know, more and more sneakers keep coming out, and I just want to be able to have a budget to where, you know, I can keep some stuff and then let go of some other stuff so I can get new stuff and just keep the content flowing. So I appreciate you guys being patient with me, because I haven't posted in over a week, but got another pair of shoes on the way. Hopefully I'll be figuring out what I'm going to give away soon, because I want to do another giveaway like I mentioned last time. But anyway, regardless, I did get my first paycheck on YouTube. It took me like over a year to get it. It takes a while if you guys are into YouTube because you're trying to make money. In the short term, if you have a great game plan, if you have great ideas, you might be able to blow up on YouTube right away. But, you know, I'm in a small niche. You know, sneaker niche is not the biggest niche on YouTube, but hopefully, you know, if I start collabing with some other YouTubers and doing things, and you know, not doing everything just on my own, maybe I can, you know, grow a little faster than what I have been. But I did finally get my first paycheck on YouTube, and I just wanted to say thank you very much for everybody watching and supporting the channel, because I was able to get just a teeny bit back. When I'm talking a teeny bit, I'm talking like barely anything, but it's still, for me, it's something, because I've put in so much time and effort and worked 2 full-time jobs to keep this YouTube channel going. So want to give you guys a little story there. So hopefully you guys appreciate the honesty. I won't keep you any longer. That's pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully I see you in the next video, and you guys have a good one. Peace.